Welcome students, this is Dr. Gadhekar, Government Polytechnic Pune. We are in the Industrial Hydraulics and Pneumatics lab. Along with me, my colleague Professor Dome sir. We both are teaching Industrial Hydraulics and Pneumatics subject in this semester. Here you can see the hydraulic trainer provided by Uninsta company. On this trainer, we can see various components of the hydraulic system. You already have seen these components. You have also learned the symbols of these components. Let us try to find out what these components are looking at their symbols. So here, if you can zoom it out, watch this symbol, and with this symbol can you identify what is this?
Pump.
Yes, this is a pump. Of course, the internal construction is not revealed by the symbol, so it may be a gear pump or a vane pump, right? But here all the other details are also written. So this is the pump. You can see below this is the tank in which oil is stored. So we always start with oil storage. So this is the storage tank, and inside that tank oil is stored. These are the drawers, some symbols. So we keep components here. So this is our trainer. So all the different components are kept over here. Then inside this there is a filter. Here you can see this is pump. What is this?
Pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge. This is the relief valve. You can set it by adjusting this knob. So relief valve is there. What is this? It's not accumulator. Here, if you want to measure quantity of oil and supply it to, or if you want to measure the flow rate, how much oil is getting. So for that, this is again pressure gauge. See, pump is giving supply through this line, and so here it comes. So this is the pressure line, and this, what is this?
Actuator.
This one. It is going back to tank. So this is the tank line.
Tank.
So we have this pressure line here and return line or tank line here. What is this? Concentrate on the symbol of this component.
4x3.
बघा तुम्ही जवळून बघा आणि सांगा काय आहे ते.
4x3 open closed center.
Yes, 4x3 DC wall, closed center, right? So these are the 4 ports, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How it is operated? By this lever. So this is lever operated DC valve. What is this?
Actuator.
Which type of actuator?
Double acting.
Double acting. There are 2 working ports. This is one valve. Can you identify? Here is the symbol. See whether it is clearly visible or not.
Unloading. Clearly display. Counterbalance.
Okay. What is this?
So, actuator.
यांचा व्हिडिओ गेम सांगतो. Yes, actuator. Which type of actuator?
Double acting.
Double acting.
Gravity.
Single acting gravity meter, right? But this is just for collecting the leakage oil. Okay. So actually here there are 2 setups. You can show from this side also. This is the main panel. From here we can switch it on, off. This is the emergency stop. So simultaneously 2 batches can work on this trainer on that side and on this side also. So similar thing can be seen over here. Some walls, shut-off valve is connected here, right? We can take it out, right? So there are projections at the back. We can attach the required components on this platform, and then we can interconnect with each other. What is this? Can you recognize? Something here for adjustment and then lock. What is this?
Needle valve.
Flow control valve, right? This is oscillatory motor which rotates in limited rotary direction. So oscillatory motor. Here is another component
check wall.
Okay, symbol is there. Check wall, right? So as such, from both the sides we can use various comforts.